Cleaning the living and dining room. Jim and his mother are eating popcorns while watching the evening news in the living room.
Jim,
Yes?
do you know the work of the waste paper basket?
Yep.
Then what is that polythene bag doing on the floor? In fact, stop watching. Go get the broom right away.
But...
I said go.
Alright, Mom. Here.
It's all yours. Now go empty the ashtray and the waste paper basket as I close the windows.
I've done that.
Start sweeping and collecting all the rubbish in the dustpan. Let me shake off dirt from that rag as you dust the tables and chairs. Reopen the windows to air the room. Arrange the furniture and finally clean all the used equipment and store appropriately.
Alright. I have done everything you ask. Now, can I continue watching?
No worries, as long as you tell me about weekly cleaning of the sitting room.
Deal. Now, during weekly cleaning, you assemble the equipment required, close the windows, clear the floor area for sweeping, high dust the ceiling and the walls, then you low dust, clean all the surfaces according to the material type, open the windows to air the room, and finally, clean the equipment used.
Great! And during special cleaning, which we will do in about 30 days, thorough cleaning is done on different surfaces and equipment including carpets, washing curtains, polishing ornaments, furniture, and electronics.
Wow! That's a big dining table on the screen.
It means they have a large family size. And since family members gather to eat in the dining room, it therefore must be cleaned on daily, weekly, and special cleaning in a similar way as the sitting room. Do you mind going over the daily and weekly cleaning procedure?
No problem. I'll start with daily cleaning. Collect all the equipment and materials needed for cleaning. Move light furniture to one side. Close the windows. Sweep the floor, rugs and carpets. Dust all the furniture and other surfaces. Then reopen the windows. Rearrange the room and clean all the equipment used and store appropriately.
Excellent! And what about weekly cleaning?
Easy. Assemble all equipment, clear the floor, close the windows, sweep, high dust, then low dust surfaces, clean all the surfaces according to the material, paying special attention to the dining table. Open the windows to air the room, and finally, as usual, wash all the equipment used
And store appropriately. Splendid! Now I am going to prepare supper. What about you?
I think I'll be in my bedroom doing some homework.
Oh, your bedroom also needs cleaning. After cooking and eating, we will discuss this in your room.
All right.